Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make basic yeast dough. It's such a versatile dough and you can use it for Fatayers, cinnamon rolls, knots and many more. Result is always fantastic. Moreover, I will also answer some frequently asked questions which will help you in fixing common problems. So let's start. Add 200 grams milk and same quantity of water. Both should be lukewarm at 105 degree Fahrenheit or 40 degrees centigrade. It's the ideal temperature to ferment yeast cells. Add 10 grams of instant dry yeast and mix it up. You can also see that I am using measurements in grams, not in cups and spoons. Reason is that in this way I always get same result each and every time. If you love baking, then I recommend that you must invest in a kitchen scale. It's easy to use and always give you precise measurements. As you can see now, it's almost mixed. Now let's rest this mixture for 5 to 10 minutes, not more than that, because we have used instant yeast and that yeast does not need to be fermented before use. Meanwhile, let's sift bread flour. Always use bread flour for your making breads because it has high content of protein which gives your breads wonderful flavor and texture. In that yeast mixture, now add 35 grams of granulated sugar and 15 grams of salt and 50 grams of oil. You can use any type of oil, olive oil, sunflower or canola. Now let's mix all these ingredients till sugar and salt are thoroughly combined. Now we will add that sifted flour. Mix it up till all wet and dry ingredients are combined. Keep mixing it for a few minutes. See, they are almost combined. Now we are going to take it out on a work surface and start kneading. If you feel that dough is too sticky, dust the work surface with flour and keep kneading till it is really soft and smooth and not sticking to the surface. See, gluten is formed and dough is becoming elastic and smooth. Its consistency should be like a Play-Doh, soft, but at the same time it should hold its shape. But no streaks should be seen. Yeah, just like that. It's done. Now take a bowl and grease it with any kind of oil. Grease all sides. And place the dough into the bowl like that and cover it with a damp cloth. Now place this bowl at the warm place till double in size. This can take an hour or more, depends on your room temperature. Ideal temperature for proofing is 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's check our dough. It's almost 1 hour gone. Wow, look at this. It's nicely risen and doubled in size. We can make so many things out of it. Now let's discuss few related frequently asked questions. First, if your dough is not rising, it could be because of wrong fermentation temperature. Yeast cells die if the temperature is more than 148 degrees Fahrenheit. or it will take too long if the temperature is less than 68 degrees Fahrenheit. So the ideal range for fermentation is 68 to 81 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, if your room temperature is less than 68 degrees Fahrenheit, then you can place the dough in microwave or in closed oven and put a hot water bowl inside it to create some humidity. In that way, you can make an ideal place for fermentation. Third, if your bread texture turns crumbly, then that means your dough is not properly kneaded or it is overproofed. Fourth, if your bread is not soft, it happens because your dough is too stiff or baked at very low temperatures. If you have any other question, feel free to ask in comment sections below. I would love to help. So that's all for today, folks. In my next video, I will show you how to shape and fill this dough and will make fatayers. It's a popular Middle Eastern dish with different delicious fillings. So, see you then. Take care. Bye-bye.